Viewing a course as a student. When you are editing a course page or activity, it may be helpful to temporarily view the course as a student would see it. You can do this using the Switch Role To function. On this page, we can see that announcements and keywords have been hidden from students. Let's use the Switch Role To function to see how that would look from a student's point of view. Using the Switch Role To function, locate the Switch Role To function by clicking on your name at the top right side of the screen. A drop-down menu appears. Click on the Switch Role To option. Click on the role Student. This is the student view of the page. You can check this by looking to see if the word student appears here. Both announcements and keywords are now hidden from students. We don't see them here. To leave this student view and return to your teacher role, click on your name and then click on Return to My Normal Role.